guys, welcome back to No Barriers Growth. Now today guys, I'm in an amazing wholesaler. So many of you guys have asked, can you please show me very fast fashion pieces similar to that of the brands you know today. This guy's is an amazing wholesaler based in Güngören called Sense. As you guys can see here, they have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of very fashion forward styles that you know. As I mentioned guys, we're in Güngören today, so the prices are going to be super cheap, starting from anywhere between $5 all the way through guys to 20. In this particular wholesaler guys, as you can see, they have everything from kind of like your fast fashion pieces, reversible sequins, crop tops, body tops, two-piece cohort sets, brasiers. I mean guys, they have everything you can think of. So come with me guys and let me show you what they have. Can see here, Sense is an amazing wholesaler. They have thousands guys of fashion forward styles, mainly kind of party wear, you know, kind of glamorous outfits that you'd wear on a night out. And this is some of their newest collections. As you guys can see here, these are really gorgeous. And most of the sizes guys will start from 38 all the way to 40. Also guys, I have amazing co-ord pieces and kind of bras and tops and blazers. As I mentioned guys, this particular wholesaler guys, the prices will range from anywhere between $9 all the way to $30. So everything here guys will be below $30. As I mentioned guys, Güngören is one of the best places to source if you have quite a small or tight budget, because everything will be quite affordable. As you guys can see here, also they have blazers. They have trousers. And what I like about this store guys, the quality is actually really nice, and everything's very similar to like your Fashion Novas, your Pretty Little Things, you know, the fashion brands we all love and know today. And for example guys, these kind of outfits will start from like around $8 to $9. But also bear in mind guys that when you are buying from these kind of stores, you are going to be buying in a series. So as you guys can see here, this is one of their newest collections here. Very similar to like the fast fashion brands you love and know. Again guys, you have your crop tops, you have your party wear, occasion wear, you know, your New Year's Eve outfits guys, and also their new pieces here too. So we have received hundreds of emails from people asking, in Istanbul, can we also find fast fashion vendors that sell items very similar to the fast fashion brands you all love and know? For example, Fashion Nova, which is a very well-known fast fashion brand based in the USA. And then you also have brands like Pretty Little Thing that are based in the UK. So yes, you can find, if not the same styles, in Istanbul. I wouldn't say that Istanbul's #1 for these styles. There are definitely different countries you can buy this from for cheaper. However, this particular wholesaler also manufactures for one of the biggest UK brands. As you guys can see, I'm not going to say the name. You can put 2 and 2 together. But you can find, yes, super affordable fast fashion vendors for your brand and boutiques in Istanbul, and you'll find these vendors in the Güngören wholesale district, in contrast to the Myrta wholesalers and Lalali and Osmanby. So this is the cheapest wholesale district guys out of the 4 in Istanbul. For example, these kind of disco pants, they will cost $8.5. And as I mentioned guys, if you're somebody who has a target audience that wants more affordable items, then you may find Güngören to be a better fit for your sourcing needs. One thing I will say guys is when it comes to Güngören and fast fashion, you're paying less for the wholesale products because the quality might not be that great, and the material is usually like polyester material, items that are not made to last that long. However, when it comes to this particular wholesaler called Sense, they have really good quality items and the products do last really long. Now, other than fast fashion pieces, they have more kind of simple, plain outfits that haven't got the kind of embellishment going on. I know a lot of people don't like those kind of styles. So guys, there is so much you can find in this wholesaler. And of course, you guys are going to ask me, do they stock plus size? Yes, they do. So here are the plus size collections. They'll have like plus size jumpsuits that start from $15. And as you guys know, in Istanbul, any product you'll see, they'll come in around 5 or 6 different variations of colors. And as I mentioned, guys, the plus size collections here, it's not as big. in contrast to other wholesalers because they don't specialize in plus size. But here again, how some plus size jumpsuits, these ones will start from 18.5 and they'll come in a series of usually 4 to 5 pieces. So usually sizes 40 and upwards. So as I mentioned, guys, if you are looking for more fast fashion pieces, then this wholesaler is a great starting point for you. What they also have, guys, as well is a bit of modest fashion. So if you take a look here, they have a lot of abayas. Now again, guys, it's not going to be, for example, Myrtle quality, but if you are just starting out and you don't have a big budget, this is also a really good place because you can get abayas from as little as $6 to $7 a piece. So you can pretty much come here with around $20 or $30 and basically purchase a whole series. They also have this too. So again, guys, when it comes to Güngören, don't expect, to find luxury pieces. Again, these are very kind of fashion forward, fast fashion pieces, that the majority of brands, have. And again, guys, just to kind of show you, even though it is a bit cheaper, the quality is still there. So I hope you guys found this video really informative as always. As you can see, this vendor has hundreds of different styles. It would probably take us half a day to go through them all. I am a busy CEO, y'all. I don't have time to be going through all of these vendors and showing these styles. As I mentioned, if you want to see more of these, you can check out our website. But as I mentioned, there are so many styles here. And if you are somebody looking for fast fashion pieces, then this particular wholesaler called Sense is a really good one. As you guys can see, these pants will start from 7.5. So if you are somebody, your target audience might be a younger demographic, or maybe you're based in a country where people can only afford certain products. Let's say, for example, everything on your website or your boutique's below $100, then Güngören again would be a perfect place to start. I mean, again, when it comes to fast fashion, I don't tend to show these types of vendors because I also feel like when it comes to fast fashion, the quality isn't as great as other ones. But this wholesaler, guys, is good. The quality is good. But I'm from London. So when it comes to me, when I shop for clothing for myself, I shop at more premium brands like Sandro, Arket, COS, Reiss, Hobbs. These are very well-known fashion brands in the UK. Like, I'm somebody, I will spend $200 on a blazer. I will spend £100 on jeans because I'm all about good quality. But I'm aware that a lot of you guys want to launch brands that might not be so focused on quality, but mainly fast fashion items that have new items coming in every week. And if that's your target audience, then yes, you can find fast fashion vendors like Sense in Güngören, which are super affordable to get started with. That's it, guys, for this week's video. I hope you guys found it really informative as always, and you now have a really good high quality fast fashion wholesaler here. As I mentioned, guys, the prices start from anywhere between $5 all the way to $30, but everything here, guys, is below $30. And as I mentioned, guys, they have the majority of kind of like similar styles as the fast fashion brands, So that's it, guys, for this week's video. I hope you found it really informative, as I know so many of you have requested, does Istanbul also stock fast fashion pieces? Yes, as I mentioned, if you guys check the website, we have what we call free blogs, and those blogs go into so much detail about each wholesale district, as you can see, Lalali, Osmanby, Merta, and so forth. So check out the blogs if you want more information about what each wholesale district consists of, and you'll be able to get a better understanding of the types of clothing you will find. But I hope you all have found this video really informative as always, and we'll be back again with more content next week. Take care, y'all.